Tiana, Zion, Araya, and
Say hi, guys. So we got another snowstorm. Our December snowstorm, our second snowstorm of the year. We didn't even know we were supposed to get snow today. We woke up this morning at 7 o'clock with snow on the ground. Up. It's now 4 o'clock. And it stopped snowing this morning at 10, but we still have snow. Kind of started melting a little, but... Junior, Zion, help brother. Zion, help your brother. Up. I know. Junior, be careful. Last night, the wind was blowing really hard. And our chair flipped off the sidewalk. So that's why it stayed all night. Got covered in snow. Can you make a snowball out of it? Does it stick together? Or is it super soft? Is it too soft? Let me see. Come here. Oh yeah, it's too soft for a snowball. So this time they won't be able to make a snowman. It's melting in my hand, so that's why it's sticking together, but it's the powdery stuff.
oh,
Stick.
Mom, I fall now.
And Tiana lost a tooth, so she's got a little empty spot there now. You okay, Junior? What are you doing? I'm not sure if we got more snow this time than the snowstorm we had on Halloween. It looks like we got a lot more snow this time. And it's a little more colder, so it didn't melt as fast. Junior's able to walk in the snow, and it's like up to his knees in some spots. Yeah, the chair fell down yesterday. It flew off the sidewalk from the wind. in your face. Did you make one? The snow angel right there. Okay, get up, Tiana. Good. Do it, Ra. Junior. What are you doing? Junior, so put your arms in the snow. Ew, is it yellow? Hurry up, get up. Let me see your snow angels. Okay, up. Up. Tiana. Let me see. It kind of messed up. I know.